Today we're going to be exploring how you can log in and out of Striven. To log into Striven, you'll first receive a welcome email once you are verified as a user of a Striven system. The welcome email will have a link which will allow you to set up a password if you so choose. On the login page, which we can see here, you can use your email and that password to log in. Simply just type in your email, followed by the password that you set up, and then click Sign In to sign into the application. If you're having trouble signing in, you can click Having Trouble Signing In, and here you can send an email activation link, or you can use Forgot Password. With either method, an email will be sent to your inbox for you to activate your email or create a new password to log in. The other ways to log in are to use the Microsoft Single Sign-On or the Google Single Sign-On. You can also use the Keep Me Signed In so that when you go to log in, your credentials, like your email address, are remembered for you. To use the single sign-ons, simply click the service you use for your email. For instance, if I use Google, I can click the Google. If you're signed into your Gmail or your Microsoft email already, then the Google Single Sign-On will work seamlessly to sign you into Striven. If you are not signed into your accounts, however, you can sign in upon clicking the Single Sign-On button. To log out of Striven, you can simply click your image and choose Log Out from the drop-down. This will take you back to the login page where you can re-sign in if needed.